everyone. So today we are making angels. So
my name is Angel.
Yeah. So we are making angels out of the construction paper. So what I have done is they've picked their colors.
I'm red and black. Gabby's pink and dark pink. Angel is pink and dark pink too.
Yeah. So what I've done is you need a circle for the wings and
you cut it straight in the middle.
yes, 15 centimeters. So I already cut one, so now I'm going to just cut another one
My arm is
for
tired.
Davy.
Look, mine
My
is
circles are not
great.
perfect circles, so that's okay though. They don't have to be perfect.
My mom is cutting it by shaping out angels, right?
Yeah.
But the children don't have to be perfect.
No. Because we're going to cut it again.
Why? To make another one?
No, just to make the wings. You just make your circle.
Angel, what are you doing?
He's flying on
Okay,
it.
it's okay, guys. Davy.
Not
Okay,
mine.
so then we're going to do this.
I didn't even know how.
Are you watching what we're doing here? Are you watching? Let's watch. So that way, if you just want to make it, you just know how to make it.
Can I cut in the middle?
No, let Mom cut.
Okay.
Why are papers on mine?
Like that. Alright, so then we fold it like this. How did I do that one? Yeah, like this. So then on this part, the bottom half here, you just kind of indent it a little bit. Like this, and then it makes the shape of your wings.
It looks like a mouth.
Yeah.
Happy.
Alright, so then I gotta do one more because I made that one a mistake. Okay, so then we cut little pieces. Angel and Gabby's hair is gonna be blue.
Oh.
What color hair?
Brown.
Davy's gonna have brown, so I'll cut Davy's hair brown. We will cut him a piece for some brown.
I want my hair brown. Some hair brown, Mom? Whoa.
Little brown hair. And then I cut little circles
For their cheeks.
for the faces.
And little red stuff for the cheek spray.
And then they picked, can you see?
Mhm.
Okay, they picked the
Pink.
dark pink for the body. So, you're going to take, don't go too far away. So you take this corner and come close so you can see the paper. You want to fold this nice here. Alright. Can you see good?
Yep.
Alright.
Looks like if you put a one in the middle, that makes an paper airplane.
That's what it reminds you of, eh?
Mhm. Cause when I was at school, I made one.
Yeah. So, let me see what happens if... Okay. So, with that, then you're going to fold it
Like that.
in half again. Can you see?
Mhm.
You open it up, and then you're going to kind of bring it down in the middle, like this. See? And like this.
after that.
Yeah. No. Can you see? Angel, are you looking? Can you
Yeah.
see?
No.
Can you see the paper?
Yeah.
Alright, that's good. Then we're going to flip it over and we'll cut these pieces off.
What is it going to be, Mom?
Watch. And then we'll cut the piece of the top off. And then if you look,
looks like a
it
dress.
opens up. And then Mommy's going to cut maybe some stars or something where they can draw stars. Okay, pause it.
Okay, we're gonna glue
You're gonna glue like the head on
The face.
our head, the hair, the hair on top. Then you put it down.
Okay. Okay, get your glue.
It doesn't really work.
Well, make sure you just have... Yeah.
Everyone say
This glue barely even works.
Okay, well, just make sure you got enough glue on it.
Oh, sideways works.
Yeah.
I need that yet.
Yeah.
Now you're gluing.
Do you need to
Gabby.
push out more? Push out more glue.
Gabby, twist it
it
this
works
way.
on the side.
Yes.
Look, guys, righty. No. Oh, this is.
Did you glue the top piece? But did you put glue up there?
No, not yet.
Well, you can't glue it if you don't have glue,
Oh,
silly.
this is righty. This is on the glue sticks. It comes up on the right.
Okay.
I can't.
Okay, let's just add a little bit more glue, yeah.
Go like that. Nope, doesn't work. Ain't it weird?
Mhm.
Not weird. I can't even do this. I put it up and down.
Okay, Davy's got his.
Where's my name?
Done.
Gabby and Angel.
What is next?
What's next? Okay. Stand. Okay. So now, what you're going to do is you're going to go like this.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to go right. Mommy will do it.
Are you doing that?
Yeah, I'm going to do it. And then that's what you guys do. That's the next part. Now we're going to we're going to glue, sorry, and put the wings on.
I need that marker.
Mm-hmm. Yep, push hard.
I can't.
You know, you're doing good. Go up to about here.
I already know.
Yep,
Right
yep.
here's
Good job,
so I
Gabby.
draw a pencil where I stop at.
Yeah.
Done. Go like up to here.
No, look up. No, you're putting it upside down, sweetie.
And then go up to here.
Up more. There you go. Just like,
I know what's next. Done. And now I'm fly up here. Now done.
Look, Mom, I'm
you
already
need more
onto
glue,
the
sweetheart.
wing.
Hold it.
Mom, I'm
Hold it.
already. Look.
It's really hard because it's really hard.
Done.
Okay. So then you're gonna glue it right
I'm still doing the glue.
right there. That's good.
I'm still doing the glue.
Let's see yours. Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Can I draw
This is where you have.
It's okay.
Can I turn
Yep, glue on the top half of the back.
here?
Is that the back? Yeah.
This?
Yeah. No, honey, not all the way to the bottom. Just like this. Just this half. Okay, just the top. That's fine.
My pencil keeps on rolling
It's okay.
away.
You need more glue than that, Davy. You gotta go out like at least down to here.
Or maybe up to here.
Okay, come on, look. It's good.
Is that enough?
Well, you need a little bit more than that.
I don't know.
All right, Gabby. Oh, Gabby, you're going crooked here. No, Gabby.
Can I glue it shut?
You're going crooked.
Can I glue it shut?
No, you gotta write in it. It's a card.
Oh, for what?
It's a Christmas card.
Is this enough? Is this
No,
enough?
Angel, you got it stuck on her face. You didn't get no glue.
Okay.
That's not enough glue. Come on, hold this for Mama. Mama, help you. Move your fingers up.
Mom, is this perfect?
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm a wing.
All right, then we're gonna go like this, Angel. Good job, though.
Remember, Tim could do with that. And I
There.
gonna spell love you.
I'm gonna write Dear Santa.
Well, honey, you're writing in pencil. You need to write in a colored marker that's going to show. I don't even think red's going to show. A little bit. We're just going to write like Merry Christmas or I love you. We can write on all that after, and we made little stars. Haha, Mommy's funny stars. If you want to glue stars on there, Gabby and Davey want to draw their stars, so maybe you should go get yourself a yellow marker or a crayon or something.
I draw
Mom,
Get yellow.
dear.
And then what we're going to do is you guys can draw faces on there.
Okay, let's draw a face right now.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't have one. That's my house, Mary.
Can we draw our face? We're not writing on anything right now. We're going to draw faces, okay?
I'm doing my stars first.
Yep, that's good. Now draw the eyes and mouth and a nose on your angel.
It's funny because when you get another marker, like a red
that's
one,
good, that's
for
good.
cheeks.
That's good.
I need to put some eyes on here. And
Yeah.
eyelashes.
Yeah. Some pretty eyelashes. Yeah.
Right down to hair.
With mine?
Yep.
Right done.
All right, Gabby, now hold yours up and let me see it. Open her up.
Mine is like this.
Yeah, see? Makes a nice little card, and then it can stand like this.
Now
Okay.
I'm going to write now.
Mine is like
There, and then we can write I love you, or to mama, to grandma, to whoever, to daddy, whoever we want.
I'm going to write it to my dad.
Look at mine.
Tomorrow you're going to write Christmas
Daddy, you're going too fast.
Whoa.
Your face
she
is
wasn't.
in me.
Yeah.
You're way too
All right, we hope that you enjoyed our video. See you tomorrow. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and don't forget the bell.